Hello everyone, welcome to Google Sheet Pro. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the indirect formula in Google Sheets. It's a powerful tool for referencing cells dynamically. Let's dive in. Here we have data in two sheets, sales and target. We want to reference a cell in the target sheet from the sales sheet using indirect. So step 1. In the target sheet, let's say cell A1 contains the 100 value. In the sales sheet, select cell A1, type is equal, indirect, target A1 and press enter. This formula dynamically references cell A1 from the target sheet and display the value 100. So you can see the output is completely correct. Now move on second example. Now let's use indirect to reference a different cell. In cell B1 of the sales sheet, we want to reference cell B1 from the target sheet. In the target sheet, B1 contains value 200. So in the sales sheet, select cell B1, type is equal indirect. Type target B1. Close the quotes and brackets and press enter. So you can see this will dynamically pull the value 200 from the cell B1 in the target sheet and the output is completely correct. So you have now seen how to use the indirect formula to create dynamic cell references for both single and multiple cells. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Google Sheet tips. Thanks for watching.